Welcome to Senior Energy Secret. You're not just aging, you're leveling up. And we're here to help you do it with strength and clarity. The pressure, the tightness around your ankles, the way your shoes feel like they've shrunk overnight. You wake up and notice it again. That heavy, swollen feeling in your legs. But the swelling always returns. You wonder if it's just aging or something more serious. Then comes the fear. Will this turn into varicose veins? A clot? Will I lose my mobility? It's like your legs are carrying buckets of water. And worst, your veins are starting to show more. Blue, puffy lines crawling up your calves like vines on a wall. You sit down and massage your legs. Maybe elevate them. Maybe it helps a little. Fluid starts leaking into surrounding tissues. The result, swelling, puffiness, that tight sock feeling, and visible veins. It is a sign your blood vessels are weakening, and your body is calling out for help. But here's what most seniors don't realize. This isn't just getting older. Now, imagine if there was a simple fruit, just one, that could naturally restore the strength of your veins, reduce swelling, and even improve your circulation in just 5 days. It exists, and chances are you've walked past it in the grocery store dozens of times. Before we reveal the fruit, let us talk about why this swelling and vein damage happens, and what you can do to stop it before it worsens. They contain anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that not only reduce swelling, but also strengthen capillaries and fight inflammation. The swelling is nearly gone. I feel like I can walk longer without needing a break. Improved blood vessel health means better blood pressure, clearer skin, and even sharper brain function. Because when your circulation improves, everything improves. As we age, our blood vessels lose elasticity. That makes it harder for blood to travel back to the heart, especially from the lower legs. But here's the good news. Your body can heal, and one powerful fruit contains compounds that target this exact problem. It's that simple. No pills, no side effects, just a sweet, tangy addition to your routine. It reduces fluid leakage, and best of all, it has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe tired legs and promote better circulation. It's rich in natural flavonoids, which help tighten blood vessel walls. So what is this fruit? Cherries. More specifically, tart cherries. Just 5 minutes of walking after eating helps your blood flow even more efficiently, and gives those cherry compounds the push they need to get to work faster. Tart cherries are like nature's vascular repair kit. Your socks leave fewer marks. Your veins look calmer. Your body starts to feel yours again. Then take a light walk around your home or garden. By evening, your legs feel less heavy. In fact, researchers found that seniors who consumed tart cherry juice daily for just 5 days saw a noticeable improvement in leg discomfort and swelling. One 65-year-old woman in the study reported, "My legs feel lighter." Yes, a real, natural drink that doctors are starting to pay attention to. And remember, you're not too old. It's not too late, and your legs are stronger than you think. But it's not just about legs. Now here's how to use it properly. You can either drink unsweetened tart cherry juice, or eat about 1 cup of frozen tart cherries daily. And if you're worried about sugar, good news, tart cherries have a much lower sugar content than sweet ones, and their anti-inflammatory effect helps balance blood sugar levels naturally. But here's the part most people miss. You can supercharge the effects by combining tart cherries with one small daily habit movement. Let's paint the picture. You start your morning with a few frozen tart cherries, or a small glass of juice. After 5 days, you notice less pop, and all because of one fruit. One habit. One choice to support your body instead of ignore its signals. Now, let me ask you this. Are you ready to feel light on your feet again? To take back control from swelling and poor circulation? To feel like age is just a number, and not a burden? Then give tart cherries a try for 5 days, and watch what your body tells you. Leave a comment below. Where are you watching from? And are you ready to test this 5-day cherry challenge? Let us know how it goes. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you believe in small habits that lead to big changes. Because our next video is something you won't want to miss. It's about a morning drink that unclogs arteries and gives you energy like you're re-30 again. For now, grab those tart cherries. Take that short walk. Life is still sweet, and so are cherries.